Good morning. So in this video I am going to explain how can you find out the 8-point DFT kernel. By using this we can easily find out the 8-point DFT of the given sequence x of n, that means x of k. So DFT kernel or DFT coefficient is nothing but here for an 8-bit it is an 8 by 8 matrix. 8 by 8 matrix. That means how many elements are there? 64 elements. So 64 elements should be calculated. Those values are nothing but Wn power nk. Wn power nk. Right? So what is the Wn here? E power minus j 2 pi by capital N. So here I am substituting capital N is equal to 8. W8 is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8, that is equal to e power minus j pi by 4. So now here 64 elements, that means 64 Friedel factors should be calculated to compute 8-point DFT for the sequence x of n. So it takes more time. That's why here to reduce that one, here based on the Friedel factor properties, that is nothing but one is the periodicity property, another one is the symmetry property. We can simply based on this only W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 power 2, W8 power 3, W8 power 4 only. That means if you leave this one, anything power 0, 1, consider 1, 2, 3, 4 Friedel factor values only. If you find out these 4, we can easily find out all the remaining values from those properties. So in what way we can find? We will illustrate here. See here. First establish the 8 by 8 kernel or matrix. So W8 power nk. So first write the n values here in this side and k values here from 0 to 7. Here 0 to 7. Now W8 power, multiply these two values here. 0 into 0, 0. Next one 0 into 1, 0. Next one 0 into 2, 0. Like that. Just develop the elements here, right? Matrix elements. First row consists of all W8 power zeros, right? W8 power 0 elements. And then consider the second row. What is the second row here? Second row is nothing but W8 power, multiply these two. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So power values depends on multiplication of these n and k values, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then coming to the third row. That is 2 is multiplied with this, right? That means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Similarly, third one. So 0, 3 multiplier 0, 3, 6, 9 and so on up to 21. Next fourth multiplier 0, 4, 8, 12 and so on up to 28. Next coming to the 5 multiplier, that means 0, 5, 10, 15 and so on up to 35. Sixth multiplier 0, 6, 12, 18 and so on up to 42. Next one seventh multiplier 0, 7, 14 and so on 49. First we finish all these values here. Okay. So later, so how here we find the all the Friedel factor values based on these 4 elements we will see here. First find the values based on the two properties, right? So these two are the properties. So the first one is the periodicity property. The second one is the symmetry property. Symmetry property. The proofs also we seen in the previous videos. Okay, right? So now here Wn power n plus n always equal to Wn power small n. W capital N power n plus n by 2 always it is equal to minus Wn power n. So that means here substitute capital N is 8 here. W8 power n plus 8 is equal to W8 power n. W8 power n plus 4 is nothing but minus W8 power n. So okay, based on these two properties here, right, we simply find out the all the twiddle factor values with the known twiddle factor values. So here simply first develop W8 power 0, anything power 0, 1, W8 power 1, W8 means here e power minus j pi by 4. So already here we noted down, that means W8 power 1 means e power minus j pi by 4 whole power 1, that is nothing but cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2, and this is also equal to, you may write like this, 0.707 minus j 0.707, like this one also. Now W8 power 2 is nothing but e power minus j pi by 4 whole square, e power minus j pi by 2, that is cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2, that is minus j. Now W8 power 3, e power minus j pi by 4 whole power 3, e power minus j 3 pi by 4, that is equal to minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4, which gives minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2, that is also minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. W8 power 4, e power minus j pi by 4 whole power 4 means e power minus j pi, that is equal to minus 1, cos pi minus j sin pi, that means minus 1. So in this way first determine these 4 values. Okay, right. So later see here. So how we find all the values here. So see here. So if you observe here all the rows, right? So if you observe the first row, it is exactly meets the first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. That means which exhibits the transpose property. A transpose is equal to A, right? So that's why here first find out the first row. First row means what is that? So already found. So that is always that is equal to 1. Okay, it is finished, right? Okay, so now coming to the here, after finishing first row, immediately finish the first column like this. Okay, right. So coming to the remaining second row. So here what is the W8 power 1? So already determined. Okay, right. So W8 power 2 also, W8 power 3 also. Okay, completed. So now W8 power 4 also completed. So if these 4 values we have found. Okay, so now coming to the remaining W8 power 5. What is the W8 power 5 here? How can you simply convert this one into this one based on the two properties? What are they? The first one is nothing but this one, W8 power n plus 4 is equal to minus W8 power n. W8 power n plus 8 is equal to W8 power n. I am writing here that one. So that means W8 power n plus 8 is W8 power n. The next one is W8 power n plus 4 is minus W8 power n. Okay, right. So here note down W8 power 5 means, right? So W8 power 5 means W8 power 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 means here. So you may write minus W8 power 1. So we know the W8 power 1 value. That means it is nothing but, what is that? Minus W8 power 1. Am I correct? So in this place just write minus W8 power 1. Okay, so we parallelly finished this one. Here W8 power nk is equal to, so here I am writing all ones, 1 1 1 1 8 ones. Okay, so that means finish here also, 1 1 1 like this. Okay, so now what is the here? W8 power 1. This one is nothing but W8 power 1. W8 power 1 means here 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, W8 power 1. Point 707 minus J 0.707. Next, W8 power 2 minus J. Next one. W8 power 3, that is minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, right? So next one is minus 1. Okay, right? So up to now we know the answers, right? Remaining just converting. So what is this here? Minus W8 power 1. And similarly, what is this? In this place we may write W8 power 2 plus 4. That means minus W8 power 2. This is nothing but minus W8 power 3. So here see, minus W8 power 1 minus W8 power 2 minus W8 power 3. Minus W8 power 1 means minus 0.707 plus J 0.707. Okay, so here minus 0.707 plus J 0.707. Next one minus W8 power 2 means J. Next one is minus W8 power 3. 3 is plus 0.707 plus J 0.707. Okay, so right. So now in the similar way we just finish remaining one also. So here if you finish the first column row and then immediately finish the column, right? So that means here it is nothing but what is that? This is here these 3 also. So minus W8 power 1 minus W8 power 2 minus W8 power 3. Am I correct? Now here coming to this row, here W8 power 4, so known value. Now W8 power 6. W8 power 6 means W8 power 2 plus 4. That means the minus W8 power 2. This is minus W8 power 2. Now W8 power 8. W8 power 8 means better to use this property. What is that? Periodicity. So what is that? Here W8 power n plus 8, that is equal to W8 power n. So in this place W8 power 0 plus 8, that is nothing but W8 power 0. Am I correct? So W8 power 2 plus 8, that is equal to W8 power 2. So now W8 power 12, W8 power 4 plus 8, W8 power 4. Right? W8 power 14, that means W8 power 6 plus 8. W8 power 6 is again equal to what is that? Minus W8 power 2. So minus W8 power 2. Okay, in this way you just finish all this. Okay, right? So I repeat here, W8 power 14 is nothing but W8 power 6 plus 8. W8 power 6 plus 8 is equal to W8 power 6. What is the W8 power 6? The minus W8 power 2. So that's why here minus W8 power 2. So, okay. Now after finishing this, immediately finish these values. Same values, right? Minus W8 power 2, W8 power 0, W8 power 2, W8 power 4, minus W8 power 2, like this. Okay. So similarly, coming to W8 power 9. W8 power 9 means W8 power 1 plus 8. That is W8 power 1. W8 power 12. That is 4 plus 8. W8 power 4. This one is W8 power, what is that? 15 is nothing but, so we may take like this. Okay, W8 power 4 plus 11, of course 11 is not known. W8 power 7 plus 8. W8 power 7 plus 8, that is W8 power 7. What is the W8 power 7? 7, right? W8 power 7 is nothing but minus W8 power 3, right? That's why it is minus W8 power 3. Am I correct? W8 power 15 is 7 plus 8. W8 power 7 plus 8 is W8 power 7. W8 power 7 is minus W8 power 3. Okay, right. Now this one, W8 power 10 plus 8, that is W8 power 10. Otherwise, W8 power here n plus multiple of 8 also equal to W8 power n. That means W8 power n plus 2 into 8, 3 into 8, 4 into 8. Like that we can consider. Okay, right? So that means some integer multiple of capital N also acceptable. That's why here W8 power n plus some k into or some m into capital N is nothing but W8 power n. So we may follow that condition also here. Okay, that's why W8 power 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 2. That means W8 power, this is nothing but W8 power 2 plus 2 into 8. Am I correct? That is equal to W8 power 2. Okay, W8 power 2 plus 2 into 8, that is equal to W8 power 2. Okay, right. Otherwise, we may take W8 power 10 plus 8. W8 power 10 is nothing but W8 power 2, like this. Okay, right. Now, W8 power 21. 21 means W8 power 2 plus, what is that? 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 5. That means W8 power 2 plus W8 power 16 plus 5. That means 5 plus 2 into 8. That means W8 power 5. 5 means here, what is that? Minus W8 power 1. So, this is nothing but minus W8 power 1. I repeat, W8 power 21 is nothing but W8 power 5 plus 16. Right? So, here W8 power 5 is nothing but minus W8 power 1. Okay. So, now, immediately finish the column. So W8 power 4 minus W8 power 3, W8 power 2 minus W8 power 1. Okay. Now coming to W8 power 16. That means, so here 0 plus 16. W8 power 0 plus 2 into 8. That means which is equal to W8 power 0. Now this one, W8 power, what is that? 4 plus 16. W8 power 4 plus 16. W8 power 3 8s are 24. W8 power 0 plus 3 into 8. That means W8 power 0. This one. W8 power 3 8s are 24 plus 4. That means W8 power 4. So now here finish this. W8 power 4, W8 power 0, W8 power 4. Okay, right. Now coming to the next one, W8 power 25. What is the W8 power 25? 3 8s are 24 plus 1. W8 power 1 plus 24. That means W8 power 1. W8 power 30. What is the W8 power 30? W8 power 3 8s are 24 plus 6. W8 power 6. W8 power 6 is nothing but minus W8 power 2. Minus W8 power 2. Now, what is the W8 power 35? W8 power 4 8s are 32 plus 3. That means W8 power 3. What is the W8 power 3? Okay, you know that one. W8 power 3. Right? W8 power 3 plus 4 into 8. Right? 4 8s are 32 plus 3 35. Now, so here these two also finished. Minus W8 power 2, W8 power 3. Coming to W8 power 36. So that is here nothing but 4 8s are 32 plus 4, right? 36. That means W8 power 4. Here 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 2. That means W8 power 2. This one also W8 power 2. Now coming to this one. W8 power 45 means 5 6 8s are 48 plus 1. That means W8 power 1. So in such a way you just finish all the values and then just write like this. Okay, right? So write all the elements, right? So you know the values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now substitute all the values here and then you can get the matrix or 8 by 8 matrix or DFT kernel. That is 8-point DFT kernel. Like this. And then using this you just multiply this kernel with the what is that column vector 8 point of column vector, that is x of n, and then you can get the x of k. Okay, so that means here x of k is equal to W8 power nk x of n. Okay, right? So just multiply and then you can get. Otherwise, so if you use the formula, right, what is that summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w n power nk. If you use that formula, so just find x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 by taking these elements, right, as individual factor values. So now multiply these values with the vector and then you can get the answer. Okay, now this is nothing but our kernel, 8 by 8 kernel. Okay.